Hello Tesla owner. So it's a time of resolution, part 2. So as I mentioned in my part 1 that I do have an issue about our steering of driving, and autopilot is one of the issues there. I was having a lot of messages about the safety concern on my steering side. So I came over here, I thought about it's gonna be a software issue, but unfortunately it's not a software issue. I found there was a replacement of the steering rack. Unfortunately, my kilometer is about 88,000 kilometers, and I just crossed the 80,000 kilometers, and I paid for that one 3,500 for the cost of the part, which is a steering rack. Plus the labor cost and other parts and blah blah things, so which cost me around 4,600 altogether. I paid. It gave me a little pain. It's not a happy ending, but at the same time I do have it with this confidence. I saved the money in like the last 2 years on the gas, maintenance cost, and everything as I calculated is I'm still in a good deal. 4,600, not a matter. I still love this car, and whatever happens, we are Tesla lovers. Let's see if the lane is changing automatically. Yes, it does. Perfect. And if I see the lane is changing, yes, you can see here, the lane is changing perfectly. We're going on ramp now. Let's see if we control it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and you can see it did. We have seen on a highway, it's working fine, auto steering is working, I'm so far happy. Okay, I would say I did spend some money, but the issue is resolved. I wish it should be simple one, but unfortunately all steering rod need to be changed. Alright, that's fine, we're happy. Alright, thank you.